Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. What we need to do is just split the two halves of the case to access the key fob battery. We do that by getting a large flat-headed screwdriver, and in the corner you can just see a indentation there which is just enough room to get your screwdriver in, and you just give it a twist like so. I would recommend to use a large one because anything smaller may damage the case and not do it correctly. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just need to remove it from its location like so. Get our new key fob battery like this one, which has a part number of DL1220. And we just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And we get the other half of the case. We just make sure everything's lined up and we just click it in place, and there you go. It's all done.